This video is part of our practical bookkeeping and accounting case study series using YBooks free accounting software. If you're following the series, this episode is your very first start and others build on it. I recommend watching these videos in the set order. If you're trying to get real accounting experience, chances are you're frustrated. You have either learned accounting theory but do not know how it actually works in real life, you've used Excel whose formulas break, or an accounting software that feels too complex. Worse still, you have never seen a full accounting cycle. With the following case studies, you're going to deal with real transactions and practice with YBooks accounting software to gain the required practical bookkeeping and accounting experience. YBooks is a bookkeeping and accounting software you can use on mobile and computer designed for learning and real business use. It's not trying to replace big enterprise software, no. It's built to teach accounting properly so you can get the experience required to help you land your dream job. You can simply access it here for free. Link in the description as well. No installation stress, no complicated setup, just use the link on your phone or computer to practice along and become a pro. YBooks gives you a 30 days trial access. You can set up one company each time and reuse it as many times as you like. This means that you can replay the following case study videos and practice again and again until you become a pro. You can even set up a new company when you like. This is intentional, it's built for learning. Please note that every transaction you record sits on your device. It does not sync into the cloud. No one knows your sign-up details or password but you alone. Remember, you can follow the case study series using your phone or your computer. The layout is the same. The logic is also the same. I'll be using a computer screen, but everything applies on mobile as well. Before we start recording transactions in the bookkeeping accounting case studies, you need to understand how to move around YBooks so you don't get lost when we start posting transactions. Now, accounting softwares are structured around how accounting actually works. Everything starts from a single transaction to multiple transactions, and then all of this flows into reports. Now, let's set up YBooks accounting software on our device. I'll be using a computer. You can use your mobile or a computer as well, or a laptop. Head over to the software link. I've also provided the link in the description as well. Wait for the status verification to complete, and you'll find the setup wizard. Then click on the register button. Fill your name, email address, and password. Ensure it is something you can remember as this is for practice. On successful sign up, you will log in by providing the same email you earlier entered as well as password. Next, you'll be required to select or create a company. If it's your first time, you will need to create a new company. Otherwise, select an existing company you already created. I'll create a new company for the purpose of this setup. Fill the required details such as company name, address, company email, tax identification number. Again, for the purposes of our case study, just enter any desired number, e.g. 12345. All the details here can be edited in the settings module. Next is the chart of accounts setup. Choose a method by either using a preloaded template which we have already provided for you in YBooks or importing a chart of accounts from a CSV file. For the purposes of this video, I will select a retail template and click the apply button. At this point in the setup, the accounting software should look exactly like this. If yours doesn't, pause the video and check the setup that you have. Now the setup is complete and the software opens up to real transactions, postings, and reporting. Congratulations! At the very topmost, you will find your trial period. Next is the dashboard module. The dashboard is your summary page. It shows you how much money is coming in, how much is going out, who owes you money, who you owe, etc. Instead of checking many pages to get this data, the dashboard gives you a quick picture of the business. Go ahead and look around. We move to the budget module. This allows you to create periodic budgets such as monthly budgets, quarterly budgets, or annual budgets, and you compare them with the actuals for the same period as you begin to post in transactions. Next is the customers module. Customers are the people or businesses that buy from you. In YBooks, you set up your customers here, create invoices or credit notes, you track what they owe, you see how much each customer owes in the AR reports. This helps you manage customer balances and receivables. Vendors are the people or businesses you buy from. In YBooks, you use this module to set up your vendors, record bills and debit notes from vendors, you track what you owe and know when payments are due in the AP agent summary. This helps you control suppliers' payments and cash flow. Next is employees module. You'll be able to set up employees in the organization, manage payroll and edit payroll settings. It is currently configured to meet the Nigerian payroll system as of 2025. We'll update it soon with the new tax reforms for 2026. Next is the accounting module. This is what I call the powerhouse module. It houses the chart of accounts submodule. Now, the chart of accounts submodule is the foundation for all accounting. The chart of accounts is simply a list of all the accounts used by the business, such as cash, bank, sales, expenses, inventory, payables, and receivables. Every transaction in YBooks goes into one or more of these accounts. And in other softwares as well, every transaction goes into one or more of these accounts. Next, you have the beginning balances submodule under the accounting module. It is used to record opening balances for a business. Most softwares use this as well. But if it does not exist, the journal entry submodule can also be used. I'll take you through the journal entry submodules in YBooks. Now, journal entries are used when transactions don't come from normal customer or vendor transactions. They are used for normal double entry postings, including adjustments, corrections, accruals, month-end and year-end entries. Think of journals as the accountant's adjustment tool. I'll take you through the bank reconciliation submodule, which is used for reconciling your cash book and bank ledgers to bank statements to ensure accuracy and completeness. This is the Assets Manager submodule, which is used to manage your business's assets, manage the depreciation during the useful life of the assets. And next is the Year-End submodule. Year-end is where you close one financial period and prepare for the next. This process will zero out all temporary accounts and post the net income to retained earnings. This ensures your books are clean and ready to continue for the next period. The Products module is next. It helps you track and manage inventory of your businesses. Enter the necessary product details and movements per inventory item. I'll take you through the banking module, which is used for receiving and paying money. The banking section is where money movement is recorded, especially for receiving money from customers and paying vendors. For other payment types, you're not going to use the banking module in YBooks. You may use the journal entry submodule to record them. This keeps your cash and bank balances accurate. I'll take you through the transactions and audit trail module. The audit trail shows who did what and when in YBooks or any other accounting software. It records every transaction, tracks edit and corrections, and keeps accounting transparent. This is important for control, learning, and accountability. Reports module is next. As you know, reports turn transactions into useful information. In YBooks, reports help you see profit or loss, account balances, customer and vendor summaries. Reports answer the big questions. Am I making profit? Where's my money going? What do I still owe or expect to receive? So you have the general ledger, trial balance, income statement, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. It is essential that I talk you through general ledger. The general ledger is where all transactions finally end up. Every sale, payment, expense, or journal entry flows into the general ledger. It shows each account, all movements in that account, debits or credits, and the final balances. This is the backbone of accounting records. And finally, the settings module. This is where you make edits to any of your initial setup, such as company name, address, email, TIN, or update VAT rate, currency symbol, add company logo. You can also log out using the logout button or switch to dark mode as you may please. Now that you understand how YBooks is structured, we can start recording real transactions. That step only makes sense if this part is done correctly. So watch the next video in the playlist in the order set and continue with the case study.